Here we have Sane by ONEPACT. I have reacted to ONEPACT before, but I'll make the disclaimer again. I can't tell anybody apart from Jay Chang. I know him through somebody else that I used to follow, and Jay was actually the only reason that I paid any attention to Boys Planet, because I was voting for him. But, let's see. Very short video. 2:23. We have a writhing human tornado. Okay. Bit of a SM sound here, NCT style. I like that.
What the f-
Man, that K-pop artists swear. Okay, we got change up. I can already say this is going on my playlist. Where are they supposed to be dancing, by the way? Is that like a dairy factory? Bunch of metal tubs. I don't know if they have lore, but is there a purpose for the writhing human tornado? I wanna be your I'm sorry. X-Love shaped hole in my brain. Yeah, enjoyed the song. Not quite sure what the music video was about. I had another thought that I was gonna voice before the music video ended. Ah, right. I didn't actually notice how short this song was. Like, while listening to it. I suppose because it was a little repetitive. But like, it felt like a full song. Which is impressive for how short it is. You know, I'm used to 3.5, 4-minute songs. So they packed a lot into 2 minutes. Barely 2.5. Yeah. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more.